Hello and welcome to Wolfe Canmore. Today we're looking at a 2016 Chevrolet Traverse LT all-wheel drive. And moving on to the interior with power windows and door locks, memory seats, heated front seats, automatic transmission, cruise control, AM, FM, XM, and the double sunroofs. Our 2016 Traverse has the 3.6 liter paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. The rear passenger compartment has captain's chairs, lots of room, pass through to the rear seats, and its own clear roof. Thank you for shopping at Wolfe Canmore. If you have any questions about our 2016 Chevy Traverse, please give us a call at 403-678-4222. Thanks and have a great day.